Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to reveal to you the best Facebook and Instagram ad strategy that you as a business owner can begin to implement if you want to see optimum result in your ads moving forward. Okay. We all know that a lot has changed over the years. A lot has changed in the platform. A lot has changed in the performance of advertising. A lot has changed in the result that you get from the advert that you set up on Facebook. But with this strategy I'm going to reveal to you, you will see a significant improvement in the results of your advert. Okay, so we are going to move into the ads manager, where I'm going to show you, open up to you, and reveal to you how these things work. And you can follow the same step process, implement it in your business, and I can assure you that your results will improve. Okay, so welcome to my channel. My name is Courage. The only way that I will ask that you support me in this channel is to like this video. Simple, just like this video, and it will help more people on YouTube to discover my video. Now let's get into the ads manager and start our business of the day. So you come here, simply click on create ad here. Let's take, for instance, want to make want to promote a product to sell on Instagram or whatever. So we click on sales, click on continue, then we come to the manual sales campaign. All right, manual sales campaign, click on it and click on continue. All right, we name our campaign. We can say it's an example ad. So in example, I will name our campaign. um Always remember to check this place if your business falls under any of these special ad categories here. So if your business fall under this one, always check it. So this is mostly for countries outside of Africa for now. I don't know, but personally for Nigeria where I live, this stuff does not apply to us at the moment, especially for housing. Probably credit might apply, but for housing, no, it doesn't. So check it and be sure that it's checked for your country, and then go to your ad set. Click on this stuff here for ad sets, this top left corner where you see new ad set. Click on it and then name your ad set. Okay, so I can name it example ad set. Always name your ad set and your campaign. So once we are here, if you want to run advert to a website, you can select website. But for the sake of this tutorial, we want to run advert on Instagram so that people can send us DM and buy what we are selling and buy the products we are selling or the services that we are promoting. Okay, so once we have done that, we come down and then we select the page where we want to run the advert to. We select the page. Okay, select your page. If it is it this page, you select it, and then since we want to run the advert to Instagram, I will uncheck WhatsApp, I will uncheck Messenger. So once you want to change your page, you just click on this icon here, this edit icon. You click on it, it will show all the pages that are under your control, under your management. All right, then you can select, you can change any page of your choice. You can change. So once I can uncheck, once I change the page, I can uncheck Instagram. Sorry, I can uncheck WhatsApp and uncheck Messenger. All right. So the advert is left to be run only on Instagram. So we're going to be getting DM on Instagram. That's why they said here, they said choose at least one destination where you are available to chat. So once we have selected our destination, we come down to budget. What's your budget per day? I can decide to spend 5,000 naira per day, 10,000 naira per day, as the case may be. On this top right side, you're going to see ad may get zero results. Ignore it. Ignore that stuff there. So once you have selected your budget, you keep coming down, and then your location. Where do you want to target? As a business owner, if you want to have an improved result, always target locations where you have capacity to offer immediate delivery or immediate service. All right. By default, it's selected to be Nigeria because I live in Nigeria. However, I can change that to say I want to sell to people who are in Lagos. So I can select Lagos here, the city. And while in Lagos, it could be between, my advert has to be shown to people within either 25-mile radius or below or above. So if you do it above the radius, the circle will change, it will increase more. As you can see, it covers more ground. Say if I'm selecting 46-mile radius, it means that people in Cotonou are going to see my ad. People in around Shagam, Jebode, around this region are going to see my ad. So I want to reduce that so that only those within Lagos will see my ad. Now you can see that it is out of Cotonou. So Cotonou is not going to see my ad. Even people in Ekpe will not see my advert. Okay. And now you must know that there has been a lot of changes on the platform. Right now, this advert will be shown to people living or recently in this location. Okay, this advert will show to both those who are living here and people who were recently here. Probably they came for something and they're no longer here. They've left Lagos, right? A few months back, we could only target those who are living in the location, but Facebook over the time has changed that. You can no longer target people by that way. So we have devised a means to show your advert or to get serious customers who are living in that location, and I will show you that as we proceed in this video. So once you are done with your location selection, you simply come down here. All right, and by default Facebook has selected the advantage audience for you, but let's try targeting. Okay, so we switch to original audience option. Click on that place, then click on use original audience. Okay, once you do that, you have to come down here. You have to come down here and select age. What is the ideal age of what is the age of your ideal target audience? Now, for this strategy to work for you, you have to go into your Instagram Instagram profile. Okay, go to your Instagram profile. All right, on your Instagram profile, look, go to your insights. Go to your insights on Instagram profile. Go to your insights. Once you're on your insights, you are going to check for, click on total followers, and then this is where you're going to see your top locations. Okay, for me personally, for my business, my top location is Lagos, right, followed by Abuja, then Port Harcourt, Ibadan, and like that. So once I've selected the top location, like I selected here Lagos, the next is to select the top age range the age range that mostly engages with your business the more. What we are trying to do now is to filter out people to be who do not qualify to be into the audience bracket we want to sell to. Okay, so if you check, you will see by percentage it starts from 13 to 17 years old. You see the percentage, then 18 to 24, you see the percentage. By my own calculation, my own percentage is different, so you can check your own and see the then you have to select the higher percentage, the percentage that has the highest value. So for me, it is 25 to what? To 45. That's the age that works best for me. 25 to 45. That's the age bracket that engages more with my content and find my business valuable. These are the people that are interested mostly in what I sell. So I select this age bracket. By so doing, you have taken off every other person that does not fall into this age bracket. Then the next step again is to decide gender. Who is your product or services for? If it is for both genders, then you have to run separate adverts. Listen to me. This strategy works. If your product is for both men and for women, you have to run separate adverts. Okay? You have to run three different adverts. Three. One ad is targeting all gender. The second ad is targeting only men, while the third ad is targeting only women. If you do this test, it is called testing. You are testing at asset level. If you do it like that, after a few days, probably after 7 days, you go back into your ads manager to see the results. You will analyze your results and you will find out which audience category, which gender is giving you the best results. Is it all gender? Is it men or is it women? This would help you know where to put your money and focus. If the advert for men is giving you more results, then you pause the other ones. If the one for all is giving you more results, then you pause the men and women and focus your advert and your money on all. Okay? So, um, that being said, now we can now come here and select interest. So once you type in the interest of the people you want to target, I don't know the interest of your audience, then that is done. That is done. Their placement, you just click on here, this edit button to check your placement. Okay, come to the manual placement here, and you see that your placement is Instagram checked already. Feeds, stories and reels, in streams, and search results. So everything is cool. The next and the most important one that you want to learn now is to go to your ad level. Ad level. Now, for you to get amazing results on Instagram adverts, it is always best to promote what is working. Always promote what is working. Pay attention. Before you run adverts, make posts on Instagram, then go to your profile, go through your profile and check those posts that are working. Which of these videos, which of these reels are your audience engaging with the more? Which of these products is bringing in more inquiries? Which one is getting more orders? Which one are people liking more? Which one is giving you more messages, more engagement, more comments? What is the thing in that particular product that people see? Promote that product. If out of your little followers they are enjoying it, imagine how much more you will get when you promote it to a larger audience. So the strategy and the key to a higher success is to promote what is working already. So you come here, you always name your ad. Like I said, always name it. Okay, always name it, please. Then come down here that they said create ad. Click on use existing posts. Then come down here and select post. Go to your Instagram. Which post is giving you good and amazing results? Which post are people engaging with the more? Look for that post. Scroll through your profile. You already know this post in your profile. You already know them, yeah? Then select that post that is giving you great results. Okay? Select that post that is giving you amazing results. Make sure you select that post that's giving you the best results. Scroll through. Once you have done that, you simply click on continue. It will populate that post automatically. It will automatically populate that post here. Okay? I always tend to uncheck this. Personal bias. So as you can see, the call to action here is send Instagram message. Send Instagram message. So once you have gotten to this point, you simply click on advanced preview at the top right corner here. This is advanced preview. You click on it so that you can preview the ad and how it is going to appear on Instagram. Okay? So you preview, this is how your ad will appear on Instagram. All right? This is the feed. This is feed. This is Instagram stories. Next, explore. This is reels. This is profile feed. This is how your ad is going to appear. So once you have selected that ad, that video, once you have previewed and you see that everything is okay, the videos are displayed well. All right? It is, and always pay attention. This is send message. The call to action is send message. Send message. All of them is send message. All the call to actions that you see here is send message. Then you can just exit here, and then your advert is ready. You have selected your best performing posts. Make sure that the messages that accompanies the post is on check and okay. All right. Then you come here. These are suggested text variations from Instagram. So you can add text options here. Click on add text options here. Okay. and add more text option. Enter another primary text. So you can add more primary text. Once you have done that, you click on add text option. Add different primary text so that when you're running this advert, the same advert will show to different people. The messages that they read will be different, but it is sending the same kind of it is getting giving them the same vibe. All right, they read different messages but the same video, and they're getting different vibes directing them towards what you want them to do, which is to purchase. Once all of this is done, you simply click on publish here. Once you have published, you wait for the advert to be approved, and once it is approved, your advert will start running. All right. So yes, use your, remember what I said, use your mobile app, your Instagram app, to check the best performing locations for your business and the best performing age range. Then promote your best performing videos, promote your best performing posts. If you do this correctly, you are going to make more sales, you are going to attract more customers, your business is going to experience a new level of growth. I hope you try this and I hope you get amazing results just like I am getting also. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. If you have any contribution or addition to this video, the comment section is open for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Please make sure you like this video and share it with business owners who will find it helpful. I will see you in my next video. Cheers.